Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, Cryptocurrency Blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. It's going to be drinking. It's going to be smoking. It's going to be swearing. You've been warned. Here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. You're now at the witness. Oh, daggone. The greatest show on earth. Yes. Greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Greatest daggone show, the daggone multiverse. Bang! We have a great show for you today. All right, everybody. So look. All right, we got a good one. We got a good one. Onboardings. Oh, my gosh, these onboardings. So let's check it out. First onboardings. Well, this is more of a partnership. It's not really an onboarding. But they'll make money doing this. ONDO. Yes, ONDO. They were, I think, number 1 in the top 10 yesterday. ONDO Partners with MSafe, making crypto safer. Yeah, so we're going to check that out. We're going to check out what they're doing to make crypto safer for all of us. You daggone need it. It's a Wild West around these parts. Daggone miscreants, rug pulling and FTXing and Mount Gox and everywhere. Everywhere, daggone. They're everywhere, daggone. Shit, fuck. All right, so these guys are going to make it safer. Trust them. All right. Oh, my gosh, and here's the murder. Look. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. And I mean, this is not just one rescue operation. Chainlink announces 12. Holy fuck. Yes, brothers. I just said that. 12 new integrations. Yo, Chainlink is straight up, holy, infrastructure. Bang! Bang! You know, like Cisco? For the internet, Cisco is infrastructure, right? You need Cisco routers to get information around the world, right? Like, bottom line. That's how Chainlink is becoming. Their infrastructure. I mean, I've been saying it for a couple of years now, but, I mean, the more so 12, and we'll read about those. And then just here's some good news for us. You know, we've been waiting for the institutions. We've been waiting for the tsunami of money to come. Well, 40% of institutions had some crypto to exposure. Bang! Last year in 2023, we're going to read about that. So, bang, and then we're going to do the daily summary and shout-outs as per usual. So, bang, bang, bang. Olé. Let's get rip-roaring. Let's go over here and we do a little bit of, wait, did it? Bang, wait, bang, there we go. Yes. And then we head on over here and we do a bit of, bang. And then we go on over here and we do a little bit of refresh. Oh, righty then. Oh, righty then. All right. I'm feeling good today, brothers. Look, so she do, nice and green. Oh, well, it was about an hour ago. Well, anyway, daggone, look. Just be happy. Here come the institutions. Here comes our money. Look, price of Bitcoin, $69,577. Well, after yesterday, wow, it's probably around the same price. Well, after yesterday, we're at $68,422. We have gone up. $1,151. Bang! $1,151 up. Bang! All right, so obviously, there's nothing to say about the macro except get ready for Friday. Get ready for Friday. American PCE numbers come out. Oh, my gosh. If they come out sweet, bang, get ready to fly. Well, not forever, but it'll be a catalyst for the next leg up. Right now, we're stuck in the high 90s. Or sorry. Fucking high 60s. Yeah, high 60s basically right now. You know, we're just hovering between 67 and 69. Well, let's call it 70. Between 67 and 70 right now. Right, if we get good numbers out on Friday, bang, we're going to head into the 70s and to the 75s kind of thing, right? We're going to go the next leg up. Yeah, we have news today that the Europeans, they're talking about lowering rates next month. Oh, yeah. Look, a major economy like that doing that? Daggone, brothers. All right, well, we'll get there when we get there. So that's all it for macro. So let's just continue how we usually do with top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. The daggone usual suspects. Usual band of miscreants and suspects. Look, top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, USDC, XRP, Dogecoin, Toncoin, and Cardano holding on the number 10. All right, market moves of the day. Well, single digits up, single digits down. Mostly single digits up, though. That's nice. That's nice to see. Look at you, Chainlink. Exactly. With what I'm about to fucking read to you. Exactly. 12 new integrations announced. And they announced this just a few hours ago. So this is fresh news. I'm giving you the freshest. Yes, you know how I like to give you the freshest. Well, when I do these, right? It's the freshest analysis and news. Right, from reputable sources. Reputable sources. Not some bunch of miscreants. Aptos looking good. Dog whiff hat still kicking ass. Meme coins, poor man's bitcoins, they're doing well. If you can catch the right one, boom, 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 bang. Right, it's like buying a lottery ticket. If you can catch the right one, fuck, you can be rich tomorrow. In reality. All right, bang. Let's look at who lost money today. If you see anything here you like, go get it. You know the answer because it is on sale. Bang. Let's see who lost money. Dang on, wait a minute. Here's who lost money. Oh, not much losing. Actually, not much losing today. All right. Top 10 losers. Lido, DAO, Beam, Ave, Maker, Gnosis, Ondo. Ondo, with what I'm about to read? That's what I'm telling you. This is a dumb market. Oh, but look at Ondo's up 28% on the week, though. All right, so maybe they're not so stupid. Maybe just a little profit taking today then, because I'm about to read you some shit. All right. Uniswap, OKB, and Tron. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers. Whew, look at these gains. Look at these gains. Top 10 gainers. Notcoin, Flocky, Dogwoof Hat, Bonk, Wormhole, Chainlink to the rescue, Book of Meme, Core, and BitGet token. Let's see what remember we're going to do this now? Let's see what the top 10 in volume were today. This is where the action was. We leave out all stable coins, and we only concentrate on, regular, properly working blockchains. So top 10 in volume in the blockchain world: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, BNB, Dogecoin, Floki, XRP, Dogwoof Hat, Shiba Inu, and Bonk. Holy, just a festival of meme coins. Meme coin festival. Yes. That's what's going down right now. Soccer mom and dad, they can't afford the shit we bought back in the day. Right? They can't afford the Chainlink and the fucking, Ethereums and Bitcoins and stuff we bought back then, right? So, or even just the lesser, forget the Ethereum and Bitcoin, but even just the lesser stuff like your Stellars and your Morpheus and your, whatever, like that kind of shit, right? They'd rather, have a billion of something, right, of a meme coin, and maybe just hope it pops. Right? I mean, which is true. That's the level right now. All the quality blockchains cost something now. Like it costs money to buy into, even VeChain. I mean, it's only 3 cents right now, but, compared to what everyone was buying it back in the day, when you get into the stuff, which is $1, $5, $10 stuff, like, let's take a look, actually. Let's just take a look. Obviously your Bitcoin and Ethereum, people are pretty much priced out of that. Solana, what's this? 170 a pop each. People are kind of priced out. BNB 603. Look at all this meme coin dog shit, right? It's all, all less than a penny. I mean, fucking fractions of a penny. Actually, that dog whiff hat thing, holy, $3.41. Okay. But, everyone's chasing instant riches right now, so. Anyway, that's what's going down. There's just the meme world is taking over. Whereas those people would if there weren't all these meme coins, they'd be forced to, buy real shit, which is the shit we already own, right? Which is why it was good to be first and early, because we were waiting for these back end people. But don't worry, we got the institutions coming. Anyways, why am I even talking about that? So look, today's market cap is $2.6 trillion. $2.6 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $2.55 trillion. So we've gone up $0.05 trillion. All right, today's 24-hour volume is 83.32 billion dollars. When I left you yesterday, we were at $57.61 billion. We have gone up about $24.3 billion, something around there. All right. The math isn't perfect, but it's close enough. All right, let's get to the stories. That's what I want to talk to you about. Look, bang! Here we go. ONDO. So I was real excited to see this story because a bunch of the brothers are getting into this thing, ONDO. Sounds great. I don't tell people what to buy, but this doesn't seem like a bad thing to buy. I'll put it that way. Just this show is not financial advice. It's just the opinion of the presenter. Just my opinion. Some chicken head ONDO ain't gonna hurt. You could do worse. Anyways, though, next level protection. How ONDO Finance and MSafe are making crypto safer on the SUI network. So ONDO and MSafe are coming together to make stuff safer on SUI. So I guess they're partnering to do this onboarding. I don't know how you describe this. But anyways, check it out. Today, ONDO Finance. A leading provider of institutional-grade financial infrastructure. Wow. I don't know the word leading, but financial infrastructure has announced a strategic partnership with MSafe, a renowned multi-signature asset management solution. This alliance is set to redefine how operations are secured on the SUI network. All right, what's the SUI network? Marking a significant advancement in the blockchain security and operational efficiency. All right. So the collaboration between ONDO Finance and MSafe will focus on the enhancements of the USDY stablecoin operations on SUI. SUI is a blockchain network known for its high throughput and adaptability. By integrating MSafe's robust security solutions, ONDO aims to bolster the reliability and safety of USDY transactions, ensuring fortified trust framework for its users. Bang! All right. Safety, consumer protections, good. Well, I wouldn't call it consumer protections, but, just good safety. Look, advanced security for USDY on SUI. So ONDO Finance has chosen MSafe's technology to oversee the minting processes of USDY and other critical operations within the SUI ecosystem. This integration is not merely a technical upgrade, but a strategic enhancement. Oh, not merely a technical upgrade, you motherfucker. Is that what you thought it was? Look, this is not merely a technical upgrade. Bang! No, bang! Holy, they even had to say it like that. But is a strategic enhancement to maintain the integrity and the trust of the digital transactions. This ain't just some technical upgrade, motherfucker. Yeah. Hey, yo, that's hardcore. Right? They had to emphasize that. This ain't just some technical upgrade. Look. Okay, but yeah, I'm excited about this. A bunch of the brothers talk about this thing. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Anyway, so let's read. MSafe's multi-signature security measures are designed to prevent unauthorized access and ensure that all transactions are verifiable and secure, addressing major concerns in the crypto community about asset safety. So here's an email, or sorry, not an email. What do you call these tweets? About we're thrilled to announce our partnership with ONDO. Blah 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 blah. Good. So the immediate benefit of this partnership is the increased security for USDY hodlers on the SUI network. With MSafe's technology, operations are not only safeguarded but also streamlined, providing a seamless experience for end users. This is particularly crucial for USDY, whose stability and reliability are essential for its role in various financial applications on the platform. All right. So look, a collaborative future. Looking ahead, both ONDO Finance and MSafe are committed to continuing their collaboration to explore new avenues for innovation in the financial technology space. The goal is to further enhance the ecosystem surrounding USDY and extend these benefits to other aspects of the SUI network. By doing so, they aim to set new standards for what is possible in the realm of decentralized finance. DeFi. So this partnership signals a broader trend of increasing collaboration between technology providers and financial institutions within the crypto industry. As the demand for more secure and efficient financial operations grows, such alliances are expected to become more prevalent, paving the way for a more robust and scalable financial institution or infrastructure in the blockchain world. Bang! All right, everybody. So look, bang, bang, look, ONDO, ONDO hodlers, bang, look, bang, look, bang. Nice. All right, so, right, everything's going to be safer. Great. Let's move on to look, bang. It's Chainlink to the rest. 12. Can you see this, motherfuckers? I couldn't believe I saw this. This is what made me do the show today. Actually, I really had no intention of doing one, but I was like, fuck off. I got to tell everybody about this. Right? I was going to post it in the chat. I'm like, no, I'm going to surprise them at the show. Chainlink's cross-chain dominance. And I mean, it is dominance. They're like infrastructure now. I've said this for a few years. Well, not a few, a couple years now. They're at the level now where Chainlink is basically kind of infrastructure. Like Cisco routers are infrastructure. Right? Without Cisco routers, you don't have an internet. Yeah, well, without Chainlink, you can't get on-chain data off-chain data on-chain. I mean, that's not totally true. I guess there's other oracles out there, but Chainlink is the tried, tested one. Everybody's using it. Swift, Swift, the money transfer thing. Not money transfer, but the messaging thing. They even did pilots. These pilot sort of test things with Chainlink. Came out successful. Yeah, I reported it on the show. Like, if you want to see every Chainlink story I've done, if you go to the YouTube site, which I guess you're watching on right now, actually, go to the search part in my my YouTube place where all the videos are, and just type in Chainlink, search, right, and you'll see all the Chainlink stories. Chainlink to the rescue. So, look, and this is the song, Chainlink to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink, 12 new integrations. Chainlink's cross-chain dominance grows with 12 new integrations. Bang! 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 I mean, 12? It's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's total domination. That is complete and utter total domination of the Oracle sector. You know what I mean? I'm trying to think of something like that, like, where just there's one mega monster that dominates everything. Well, anyways, that's Chainlink. Chainlink to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. So let's see what Chainlink is doing. Okay, so Chainlink, a leading decentralized Oracle network, has achieved another milestone in its platform adoption. The network has recently secured 12 integrations. Holy fuck, I gotta look, bang, 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 across 9 different platforms, underscoring the diverse use case within the blockchain industry. Exactly. Use cases. Right? Because it's not all just, they have this CCPI thing or CC. Anyway, we're going to read about it. I know them mostly just from back in the day when, just look, dog, I'll put some information on chain. Oh, thank you, Mr. Chainlink. Thank you. Right? Right? But they do other stuff now. I mean, even so. It really is like to the rescue, like multiple rescue ops. Chainlink's running multiple rescue ops. Look, so these integrations leverage 6 key Chainlink, right? Chainlink has 6 services. Let's look at this, everybody. Look, 6. Bang, bang, bang. 6 key Chainlink services. Chainlink is offering 6 services, including, this is the one I was talking about, CCIP, cross-chain interoperability protocol, talk across chains, mainnet integration, price feeds, this is my favorite, bang, look, I'm not going to bang it because I want you to focus on it. Other offerings include Chainlink, low latency data streams, right? Real-time data, right? That's the low latency. In other words, you know what I mean? It's real-time data. The data is now. You know, a lot of these things and a lot of these crypto like trading sites and everything, you know, the data is actually, you know, like a minute or 5 minutes even behind and shit, right? Nah, Chainlink is giving you real-time data. This is the price right now, right? Like I'm a Forex trader, right? And I get the price I see is the price the world sees. We all see it right now. The price of the euro to the dollar right now. This is the price, right? And that's the level that Chainlink offers, right? Real-time data right now, motherfucker, right? This is the price this second, right? There's no latency. In other words, a delay in the price quote that the user sees on their screen, right? Okay. All right. So it's a big deal. As a trader, trust me, that's a big deal. Back when the internet first started, there used to be, you know, on trading platforms, like a minute or 2 minute, 5 minute delay on prices, right? Whereas right now, you know, in this modern day and age, when you open up your TD Ameritrade or your Charles Schwab account or just whatever platform you use at home to invest in stocks or whatever, you know, if you do that kind of thing, you know, you're seeing the data right now, like this second, right? But back in the days, it used to be delayed, and that's how Wall Street would always keep winning, right? But now, you know, thanks to the upgrades in technology, you at home can beat Wall Street. Well, that's how I beat Wall Street every day. I get the prices right now just like those fucksticks. Yeah, and so do you. If you so choose to kick some ass. Yeah, you can do it. Right? They don't have that advantage anymore. Anyways, and that's what's one of the great thing about Chainlink, low latency data streams. All right, another service is verifiable random function. I did a story about that once on here with Chainlink, but I don't remember what that was about, why they were randomizing something. Anyways, and cross-chain limit orders. These solutions facilitate secure and reliable data transfer and interoperability within and between blockchain networks, right? Interoperability between the blockchains, motherfucker. All right? All right. So look, Chainlink has been integrated with projects across 9 blockchains. So these are the 9 blockchains that are using this, that make up the 12 thing. Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, Linea, Metis, Optimism, Polygon, Scroll, and ZK Sync. The 9 platforms utilizing these services include Distributed Gallery, Eno Token, Flash Liquidity, Raincoin, Mind Network, Phoenix, Seamless Protocol, Xstar, and Yield Flow. So it sounds like, all right, so I get what's going on here. So these are the blockchains. So hold on, let me bang them. Utilize these services. So these are the services using the Chainlink, and these are the blockchains, and they're part of the ecosystem of these blockchains here, right? So these services down here run on Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, Linea, Metis, Optimism, Polygon, Scroll, and ZK. Okay. So notably, this integration will enable these Notably, this integration will enable the platforms implementing Chainlink services to meet their specific requirements. Seamless Protocol, for instance, adopted Chainlink price feeds to calculate collateral ratios and maintain secure markets. So, okay, so we're getting a taste of what they did. So Seamless Protocol, where was that? There it is. These guys, Seamless Protocol. So Seamless Protocol adopted Chainlink price feeds. You know, we always read about price feeds with Chainlink here. Well, usually, right, whenever they come out. Similarly, Mind Network and Flash Liquidity utilized Chainlink CCIP, right? CCIP, brothers, you guys know in the chat what it's about. Benjamin's been, posting about it, right? CCIP is cross-chain interoperability protocol. So that allows you to, talk across chains, right? It'd kind of be like like TCP/IP kind of for blockchains, right? I guess in some way I'm Obviously, that's probably a very layman's way of looking at it, but a TCP/IP for transmission control protocol, internet protocol for the blockchain world, so you can operate across chains, right? Right, like the reason we can do stuff across computer systems because TCP/IP, right? Anyway, whatever, man. That's getting a little too geeky. All right, cross-chain transactions. These integration reflects Chainlink's ongoing efforts to enhance the functionality and security of decentralized applications and distributed apps. Right? So awesome. Meanwhile, Chainlink has announced several significant... I'm going to say something right now. I'm just going to cut right in the middle of this shit right here and just say this. Chainlink is the most undervalued crypto in this whole space. Yeah, straight up. I mean, I own a bunch of other things. But the one... Chainlink is the most under. It should be like $200 already. Yeah, like for real. The shit that they do. And you'll see when the Mastas arrive and their analysts see all that this thing does and is capable of doing. I mean, it hasn't even, me, I've told you guys, weather data. I know it sounds stupid, but trust me, you'll see. Maybe not now, but 3-4 years from now, you'll see. Yeah, man, Chainlink is the most undervalued crypto out here of all of them. Like, they're deadly. Like, all real shit, all solid onboardings, like everything. There's no scam, there's no sneaking, nothing. Like, they're just luck. You know what I mean? These are what we offer, and bang, bang, look, it all works, which is what a successful company does. Provides services and goods and services that people actually want, right? People want to use Chainlink. People need it. Daggone, I need these real-time data feeds. I need it. Chainlink, please, Mr. Chainlink, please. Right? Like, they provide service that motherfuckers want. All right. Like, if you use Chainlink, your blockchain gets an edge over the other guy. Like, that's the level. Yeah, well, my blockchain's got real-time price feeds, fuckstick. Yours is still a bunch of bullshit, 5-minute, 10-minute delay crap, right? That's the level. Chainlink will give you actually a fucking edge on your enemy, right? If you know about that kind of stuff. So look, meanwhile, Chainlink has announced several significant integrations over the past month, solidifying its role in decentralized application infrastructure. Stater Labs has announced its integration with Chainlink. Right, here's another one. CCIP to secure token transactions and EtherX transfers between Ethereum and Arbitrum. Bang! There you go. Right? A bridge between Ethereum and Arbitrum. It just goes on and on. Trust me, when the Moss does, I mean, I'm sure they already know. I'm sure they're already been told, but when they're allowed to get here, right? I've been talking all week about investment vehicles. Yeah, well, trust me, there's going to be a lot of investment vehicles made for this shit, made for Chainlink. Trust me. Additionally, Vertex DEX adopted Chainlink data streams to enable faster trading. Leveraging this integration, the platform aimed to improve reliability and security to ensure accurate price data and fair market practices. Bang! Indeed. So these partnerships highlight Chainlink's ongoing commitment to enabling blockchain interoperability, blockchains to talk to each other, and supporting distributed apps in various ecosystems. They also cement its position as a key. Oh, someone said it. Finally, as a key what? Bang! 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 Infrastructure provider. I've been talking to you guys about this for 2 years, right? Finally, someone says it. Someone realizes exactly. Look, Chainlink is infrastructure. Chainlink is straight up crypto infrastructure, or blockchain infrastructure, not crypto necessarily. Blockchain infrastructure. Yeah, baby. They'll let your blockchain talk to a next blockchain. They'll bring information onto your chain. They'll do a bunch of other shit with your chain. That's infrastructure shit. Oh my gosh. So look. Let's just bang that. Look. So bang. Like Chainlink hodlers. Look. Do not be afraid to accumulate. Why? I'm not telling you don't be afraid. I'm not telling you to do that. If I was and I am a Chainlink holder actually, so trust me, I can't wait to just go look at my account right now. But look, don't be afraid to look. As a Chainlink holder, I'm not afraid to accumulate more. I know the price is way up here now, but I'm going to tell you something. My price target for Chainlink 3 years ago was $142. Yeah, that was way before just the massive amounts of onboardings. Right, that was in 2021 I was saying that shit, right? Yeah, well, my price target for Chainlink now, I'm looking at, $350, $400. Yeah, that is the level. Like, that's the level. Chainlink is infrastructure now. That guy even said it. I mean, I've been saying it for a long time, but, it takes a while for the miscreants to catch up to Shomari here. But look, the infrastructure, son. Yeah, $350, $400, man, now. So, yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. That's my impression of Chainlink now. It's the most undervalued thing out here. Like, they're doing the most out of, like, I can't think of anything. I mean, Ethereum, obviously, but that's different. That's different. People just use Ethereum, but I mean, they use Ethereum in terms of, they're not, how do I say this? Right? Ethereum is a commodity, right? There is no CEO of Ethereum. There's no team behind it. There's just a bunch of devs and whatever. Whereas Chainlink is like an actual company, Chainlink LLC. So that company, they're doing the most out of all this crypto space. All of it. I think, so. All right, let me go on because I'll just keep praising them forever. We got a show to do. Look. All right, so let's move on. Chainlink hodlers. Bang. Now, next story. Bang. Nearly 40. And so now let's look at a macro story. What's going on in crypto, Shomari, man? Well, brothers, look. Bang. Institutional investors are arriving. What have I been talking to you about for 6 years? 6 years, brother, right? Sisters, you too. I've been telling you for 6 years. One day, right? One day there's going to be a tsunami of money, and it's going to come from who? Well, from our good friends, bang, the institutional investors who are going to use other people's money to buy the shit we own, right? That's what I've always told you, right? Like, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, cryptocurrency, right? That's why I made this channel, right? To help you. And it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. If you're a worker bee, it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. This is where the average man, you listening to me right now, the average man or woman, the average person, you have the asset before buying the institutional investors have it. Right? You have it first. Right? Usually in the world, institutions and insiders, they get the asset first. So one of the brothers here, he's one of, since day one, his name's 007. He's a killer, a real guy, right? People pay him, give him their money to trade for him, right? He's a killer. And he showed us the SEC filing of Facebook. And Facebook, the insiders got their shares at 0.00000. Excuse me. Let's start over. They got theirs at 0.0000006 cents. And then they sold them, IPO'd them that day, I think starting at $32, and then bang. So they all became instant billionaires. Yeah, well, that's the beauty of crypto, is that we're the ones this time, you and I, regular retail investors, we're the ones who own the asset at 0.0000006 cents, right? And the institutions are the one coming to get it from us. Do you get it? Right? On this channel, we like to call it a reverse IPO, right? Right? Usually they IPO shit to us. They got in at 0.000 blah, 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 6 cents. Yeah, but this time we're the ones who got in at 0.0 blah, blah, blah. And their hedge funds and those guys, they want it. Right? They want in. They want into this space. And so that's what I say what is special about the cryptocurrency space on a macro level. This is a market where regular people, regular working Joes, regular, 9 to 5 worker bees, what we call on this channel worker bees, have the asset first before the, sort of traditional wealthy investors who always get in first. The, what do you call them? Angel investors, the venture capitalists who get in first. Well, we are the venture capitalists. You are the venture capitalist. Right? You bought your fucking, whatever, Chainlink. I remember, man, and it hurts me actually to admit this, but I'm going to admit it. I remember when Chainlink first came out. Right? And people were telling me like, yo, Shomari, man, check out this Chainlink thing. And I was like, I don't know. Yeah, and back then, I think it was like, 4 or 5 cents. Then I had one guy when it was 20 cents. He actually DM'd me and he was like, Shomari, you motherfucker, you better get in. And I was like, I don't know. I think I'm just going to get a little more VChain and IOTA. So I didn't. Yeah, when I got into Chainlink, fucking $8. Way late. But think of all you who got in early, right? Exactly. You're the insiders. You're the guys who got in at 5 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents. And look at it now. And look at these onboardings. I mean, it's maniacal. It's crazy. The amount of, and like this guy said, like I've been telling you, like this guy said right here, look, Chainlink is infrastructure. It's infrastructure at this point. And so this is the kind of stuff and these kind of news is this kind of information which brings the institutional money. And that's what we're talking about here. Nearly 40% of institutional investors had crypto exposure in 2023. Bang, it's only going to grow. It's only going to grow. When you're an institution, you have what's called analysts. Analysts, they are people who look at a market, and they just, they find out who's the winners and losers in this motherfucker, right? That's it. Who's making money, who's not, right? Who's worth a look at, who's not, right? And then they tell the hedge fund manager, the hedge fund master, sir, we recommend this a buy order. Sir, we recommend this, pass on that one, blah, blah, blah. Right? They're the ones who kind of control. I mean, it's the hedge fund master's decision whether he agrees with the analyst or not, but I mean, they kind of really control shit, right? The hedge fund master is kind of just a rich dude with access to get people's money. But it's the analysts who really decide kind of what a hedge fund really invests in. Although he does give last approval, of course. Yeah, and then it's the traders who actually do the trading desks, right? The hedge fund master is kind of just, I'm just a rich guy with a Harvard degree, and I'm using all you guys to make myself look good, right? But it's all their work. And that's how the life usually works, right? The boss looks good, really. It's really all the workers who are doing stuff. Anyway, though, but look, how did we get in there? So let's get back to this. Crypto. Nearly 40% of institutions have crypto exposure. Bang! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's only going to grow. It's only going to grow. Right? The more regulations we get. That's why we talk about regulations here. The more regulations we get, the more investment vehicles we get, the more institutions are going to come here. If I'm an institution with a futures trading desk and I want to trade Solana in a futures contract, as soon as some motherfucker makes a futures contract for me to use with Solana, I'll unleash my trading desk on that. Look, boys. Looks like we got a new futures contract in Solana. Go do some damage. I'll just tell them, look, here's 3 million. Let's start with that. Go do some damage. And let it rip. Let them rip. Make us that money, boys. And they'll go in there, long and short and doing whatever they do. Whatever futures market guys do. All right, throw them some chicken. Go do some damage, boys. And that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for stuff like that. All right, so look. Nearly 40% of institutional investors had some exposure to crypto assets in 2023. A notable rise from the 31% recorded in 2021. A recent survey conducted, and this is what I really want to show you. This survey was conducted by KPMG. So, this is one of the 4 big auditors of the world, right? One of the major 4 auditors of the world. Right, KPMG, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, I don't know, and some other motherfucker. I can't remember who, but, right? So this is a legit, this isn't some crypto fucking website kind of, survey or some bullshit. No, this is by KPMG. So, in Canada and the Canadian Association for Alternative Asset Strategies have revealed a significant increase in institutional investors' interest in cryptocurrencies, right? The real deal, KPMG survey. So, per the survey, I'm getting so excited, I'm slurring my words. Per the survey, a third of respondents reported having at least 10% of their portfolio allocated to crypto assets. Wow, 10%? I mean, you guys know we've talked about it here, and I think I've done a couple stories on it here. Most asset managers and stuff like that are saying that they're going to allocate like 3 to 5%. So to hear of a 10% allocation, that's robust. That's robust. Well, a third of the respondents said they had 10%. So that's 30%. Compared to only a fifth of correspondents 2 years ago. So nice. Institutional investors enter crypto amid maturing market, right? Remember, I used to always tell you guys, well, I'm still telling you, this market isn't mature yet, right? I'm a Forex trader. People ask me, Shomari, well, why aren't you trading it? It's not mature yet. The market's not moving right yet. It's not trending yet. It's not doing that kind of stuff. It's starting to react right now to market data. So CPI numbers come out, bang. A war in Israel, looks like it's going to happen, bang, right? So it's starting to behave properly, but it's not quite there yet. But it is exactly what this guy says. It's maturing. And for you guys in the chat, this is what I want you to understand, right? Like, this is what I've been talking to you about, right? It wasn't mature before, and it still isn't. I'm not going to trade this yet. I mean, I told you we're going to look at 2050 crossovers, and I have been looking, but it's not worth it yet. Just for an update for you guys in the chat, right? It's not up. It's not that I haven't been trying. I've been looking and I've been trying, but it's just not worth it yet for the crossover stuff. But we'll get there when we get there. But like I've always told you guys, this market isn't mature yet. It's just beginning to mature, though. Now, market forces, the macro forces that I show you guys every day, CPI, PMI, interest rate numbers, wars in Ukraine, wars in, between the Israelis. I showed you guys when we flipping tanked, right? Now the market's behaving like a mature market. That's what a mature market does. It reacts to real market forces and just to real life. Okay, so that's how, I've been showing you that lately, right? And so it's beginning to mature. So institutional investors into crypto amid a maturing market. And exactly, that's what they want. Because when the market's mature, well, they know how to behave. Right? When this piece of data comes out and it's negative, all right, I know what that means. Go risk off. Or when this piece comes out and it's positive, well, I know what that means. Buy more. But if Bitcoin and crypto is reacting all different, well, you can't fuck with it. Right? Like, why are you going down? We just had great CPI numbers. What is with this crazy market? Right? But now it's beginning to mature. When we got good CPI, inflation numbers, the market goes up. Right? The same, like when Israel and, I keep saying it, when Israel and Iran almost went to war the other day, bang, the market tanked. As it should. As it should. The threat of $250 barrel oil, yeah, it should tank. Right? The crypto market is beginning to act like a traditional risk asset. When risk off, bang. When risk on, boom. And so that's what we're here at now. It's beginning to mature. Remember, I've always told you about the mature. Why are you trading this? It ain't mature enough, dog. I ain't put my money in this yet like that. Trust me, when it does mature, trust me, I'll have a whole different channel. The Shomari fucking Fibonacci crypto murderer channel, I'll call it. Trust me. Don't worry. We'll get there one day. All right, guys. So, though, institutional investors into crypto amid a maturing market. The survey also explained the reasons behind institutional investors' growing interest in cryptocurrency. A majority of respondents, 67%, cited the maturing market and custody infrastructure, custody, as a significant factor, a significant increase from the 14% that was recorded in 2021. So 67% now, bang, compared to only 14. Furthermore, 58% of respondents mentioned the strong market performance of cryptocurrencies as a motivating factor for their investments. Meaning, right, what? The strong market performance, exactly. I'm invested in daggone Tesla, Microsoft. Yeah, I might make 5-6% this year. Motherfucker, I'm invested in Bitcoin. I might make 5-6% tomorrow, right? Yeah, I might go to bed tonight, wake up to 5-6% gains, right? That's what they're saying. Market performance. It's a nice way of saying the fucking gains are huge, right? That's a classy way of saying, you know, why are you in this market? Well, I'm enjoying the strong market performance. Translate that to any normal person. Why are you in the market? Well, because the gains are fucking huge, dog. I make 100 times, 100 times. Daggone it, the gains are massive. And that's the beauty. That's what they're getting, right? You know, they see it. And that's why I'm telling you, like, don't worry. Like, buy revenue-generating product and don't worry. You're going to be rich. You are going to get rich. If your portfolio is big enough, these people, the wealthy investors, the institutions, they want it. They want in. Like, if you're a Chainlink hodler, like, trust me, you're going to be fucking rich. Fucking rich. Get more is what I would say. In my opinion, I say get more. I'm not telling you to get more. In my opinion, this is not financial advice. And so, right? That's the level. That they know. They're not stupid. They've got fucking shit for their clients. Yeah, making 2% a year. You know, this mutual fund over here making 3%. Motherfucker, I can get my clients into Bitcoin and make them 3% tomorrow. You know, if it's the right timing or whatever, right? Like, your clients will never, they will love you. Your clients will love you when you bring them the type of gains you can get at crypto. Okay, so, look, the market performance of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, has been remarkable in recent years. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has experienced a 150% increase in 2023 and is up nearly 60% year to date. Similarly, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has risen by approximately 60% in 2024. And I think this article was probably, all right, anyway, well, I'll leave it at that. The approval of Spotcoin, the approval of spot BTC ETFs by the SEC allowed has played a significant role in boosting institutional interest access to crypto asset class. Exactly. I told you. You need the investment vehicles, the ETFs, bang, that's the vehicle, bang, institutions came, brought us the money. After years of failed applications, the SEC, all right. So that's more just about blah, 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 blah. All right. So another recent poll conducted by the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals indicates a sharp rise in the number of financial advisors planning to recommend crypto-related opportunities to their clients. Exactly. That's what's necessary. Asset managers, financial advisors, telling people, right? Most people don't invest their own money. They hire people to invest their money for them, right? Yeah, and so what you need those people advising those people, you know, the soccer moms and dads, to invest their money in this space, right? And so, as you can see, 35% of respondents say that they intend to encourage their clients to invest in the digital asset space. Bang! See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about right there? 3 and 5. They intend to encourage them. And let's get real. Most soccer moms and dads don't know any better. When they get advised to do something, they just do it. Well, and plus, it's not only that, but when you advise them, well, you can show them a Bitcoin chart. You could say, well, look, Bitcoin gained blah, 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 blah last year. And these are your Tesla shares. They gained 3% last year. You know what I mean? Like, it's not a hard sell. You know what I mean? It's not a hard sell. Just show them the fucking data, right? On an average year, Bitcoin will go up, you know, even if it's like a bad year, like when COVID hit, right? Well, okay, Bitcoin does have bad years, but you can go like, you know, the way you sell it is you go like, well, over the past 5 years, the average amount of gains is this much. The average gains on your stocks are this much, right? Like, the average gains on crypto is this much. The average gains over the past 5 years are this much. Would you like some Bitcoin, ma'am? Yes, sir. All right, ma'am. Let's sign you up. Right? Oh, this is going to be so beautiful. Okay, so the increased interest in cryptocurrencies has prompted a broader coverage of digital assets by major sell-side firms such as JP Morgan and Alliance Bernstein. This expanded research coverage has contributed to more sophisticated and nuanced conversations between investor relations professionals and institutional investors. Exactly. This nuanced conversation now, right? Nuanced. In other words, they're showing them the truth. Look, it ain't all just about Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are viable distributed ledger technology companies here that are actually kicking ass and doing a lot of good and making a lot of money. We should get in, right? It's like our brother Benjamin. He had a video about a week about a week and a half ago with Jamie Dimon. Jamie Dimon was shitting all over Bitcoin, but he said, "Look, there is great innovation and stuff in this space. These are the nuanced conversations. This is what I promised you. Well, not promised you, but this is what I told you would happen." Yeah, the analysts are now beginning to teach the masters. Look, master, there's more. This ain't just wannabe money shit. There's companies out here doing stuff, sir. Right? And this is the sort of nuanced, sophisticated, right? That's what this channel is about, to create sophisticated investors. Right? You can go, believe in your cycles and your fucking havings all you want. This channel is to invest, is to make sophisticated investors. Looking at sophisticated numbers, sophisticated data. And that's what's happening. The sophisticated, the smart money is coming, which is what we told you would happen, right? Which is what we've been talking about here. IR teams have observed a notable shift in investor understanding and knowledge of cryptocurrencies. Exactly. The notable shift. How long have I been telling you? We've got to get these people to stop looking at things about wannabe money and looking at the blockchain. What can it do? What is it? Right? Who can use it? How can it benefit you? How can it benefit your corporation? How can it benefit your institution? How can it benefit your government? Right? Like using it. Right? How long have we been talking about that on this channel? Right? Using the daggone blockchain. Right? And many of them are being used. Singularity Net's got a walkie-talkie robot. Fucking Solana. Used for a bunch of crap. VeChain. Sustainability and the tracking of the blah, 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 blah. What do you call it? Integrity, right? The integrity of the product thing. IOTA, right? All those contracts with the European Union, right? Stellar being used by MoneyGram worldwide. When you send a MoneyGram now, yeah, that's going over the Stellar blockchain, right? And so these are the nuanced conversations that they're having. And this is now the understanding. The investor understanding is growing now. Remember, I've always told you about that. We need to have I always said consumer education, but I guess the real thing, investor education. Right now, they're beginning to get the nuances. Remember, I told you cryptocurrency is three things. In my view, commodities, Bitcoin and Ethereum, wannabe money, right? Zcash and just, I don't know, Monero and bullshit like that, wannabe money stuff. And then actual companies that do stuff, right? VeChain, IOTA, Stellar, Energy Web, ONDO, we read tonight, Chainlink, obviously, right? That actually do stuff, right? Those are the three sectors. And that's what these masters are beginning to be taught. And this is what they're beginning to understand. And like the video we saw that Benjamin gave us, yeah, well, that's the level, right? They're getting it now. All right, seeing interest in Hong Kong. We're going to skip this. Why are we skipping it, dog? Just because we saw what happened. Hong Kong unleashed the ETFs, and they were no big deal. They're in the millions of dollars. They haven't even made billions yet. So, but bang, 40% of institutional investors had exposure last year, and now you see that they are beginning to understand. They're demanding more than just the Bitcoin and the Ethereum because their analysts are telling them, right? They're demanding more. And you saw it. I told you this would happen, and this is exactly what happened. They are now beginning to have a nuanced conversation about crypto. Not just wannabe money. Now, they know that's going to be a bunch of bullshit. But there are actual companies, distributed ledger technology services providers, that are providing a viable service, a revenue-generating service, and that, my friends, was what you should have in your portfolios, and that is what's going to make you rich. Look, you have it before the wealthy man does. Just like the insiders had the Facebook at 0.0000006 cents. Yeah, well, that's where you got it at. And this time, that's why I do this channel. That's what this is all about. And that's what the benefit of crypto is. There's never going to be a market like this ever again. This is your chance. This is your once in a lifetime chance to get fucking rich. And I mean fucking rich, because you've got the assets that the wealthy want. You have the assets that the institutions want. What assets are those, Shomari? Revenue generating ones, motherfucker. It's very simple. Just like anything, just like the stock market, you invest in success. Right? It's that easy. It's that simple. They don't invest in tech. They don't invest in, some bullshit about a CEO. They invest in numbers, data, success. How many people are using your blockchain? Any major onboardings? Okay, like Chainlink right here? Yeah, success. That's what they invest in. And so if you own that stuff, when they arrive in full force, trust me, you're going to be not just rich, but fucking rich. Like fucking rich. They invest in success. And that's what you should have in your portfolio. Blockchains that are successful. Right? Blockchains that are successful. That have onboardings. Major corporations, Fortune 500s, government contracts. That's what you want to see, because that is success. And well, when they get here, well, they're going to buy that. Yeah, from you, because you have it first. Okay, so all right. So you get the point. You're going to be rich. If you're invested properly, you're going to be a millionaire. Yeah, just like the dot-com bubble days. You know, the dot-com bubble days, so many people got rich. There was a new term. It was called the nouveau riche. Yeah, the nouveau riche. That's how many regular people, fucking cops and firefighters and teachers and just whoever the fuck. Yeah, they just got rich during the dot-com bubble days. Yeah, well, that's what this is like now. Yeah, people remember back in the days of Microsoft, people bought it at like $1 when it first came out. I don't know what the IPO is, but yeah, it was probably like $1. All right, people don't even know about computers back then or anything, so. Right? I don't know. It was probably maybe $5. I don't know. But, it was pathetic. Yeah, look at it now, right? And so that's what you are. You're the insider this time. And the institutional investors, the wealthy, are coming to get it from you, the regular man, the working man, right? Working Joe. And that's why you need to take every opportunity in this space to invest in really good stuff, revenue generating stuff, do some homework. And that's what this channel is about. I only talk about crypto if it onboards. So this channel helps you to do your homework. And so you should be rich. You will be rich if you do it properly. Don't worry about a trip to Vegas this year. Buy crypto with it. Because right now, they're almost at the door, right? The investment vehicles are coming. So once they come, you don't want to be priced out of good shit. Because then you will just be living in meme coin world. Which will come, but then will die away. Just like the dot-com bubble, there were a lot of fucking bullshit stocks that made a lot of money, but then they all died away at the end, right? And so you want to have a portfolio that your shit goes up with everything, and then when the culling happens, when the sort of the slaughter happens where the wheat gets separated from the chaff, yeah, well, your portfolio stands strong, right? Like these meme coins will make a lot of money right now, but overall, they won't stand strong, right? Whereas, things like Chainlink, yeah, well, that's here forever, right? Chainlink is here forever. It's infrastructure, like Cisco. It's here forever. It's just how it is. Okay, guys, so let's move on. Let's do a quick couple shout-outs and get to the Death Star. Whoops. What's Edwin talking about? Chart porn? It's Crazy Edwin for you. All right. What do we got? Sir Royal Charles, yes, sir. Love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang. Yes, we've got Sunny B, Spy Lady. Love you, lady, see you, lady. Bang. And she doesn't have to do much work right now. She's the assassin. Yeah, Spy Lady, the assassin. All right, if you really fuck around, if you don't listen to Racheda when we send them, well, you get a visit from Sunny B, and, well, yeesh. That's the last face you'll ever see. But luckily, the markets are going up. She gets to take a break. She's painting her toenails on a beach in California right now. So, look, love you, lady, see you, lady. Bang. Yeah, she gets to take a relax from blowing people's brains out. All right. Technically bullish. Love you, see you, brother. Bang. Yes. What's Tiffany talking about? Anyway. Up. Drop a son of a bitch. Bang. 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 Got you wrong, cuz. You son of a bitch. Got you wrong, cuz. All right. Protecting the chicken doing what he do. Holy, 12 integrations for Chainlink? Stupid. That's all I can say. All right. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. That's all I can say about that. 12. Just a 12-piece chicken they dropped in. One story like that. Daggone. All right. Universal Misanthrope holding down our insurgency. What's going on, man? There he is. Universal Misanthrope holding down our insurgency in Central Europe. Head of security. Barbecue pit master. Shomari's Legionnaire. Oh, yes, brother. VT fanboy and Link connoisseur. Oh, fuck. Misanthrope, brother. Daggone. You heard tonight. I don't even have to say anymore, right? Except, daggone. Daggone. He understands that. He understands what I mean there. Daggone. All right, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Daggone. Look, Robbie Hardaway, our brother from the multiverse. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yes. See, what Robbie's trying to get these interest rates cut. Maybe Europe next week. We'll see if Robbie can get that done for us. If he can get the Europeans to lower those interest rates next week, that'd be great. All right, Victor. Love you, brother. See you, brother. He is the chicken. Bang. Look, sometimes in life you get the chicken, sometimes you get the feathers. My crew, well, they like chicken, so bang. Oh, Sloppy. There he is, man. I haven't seen him for a while. You can refer to him as him or it. Yes. Sloppy, holding down our insurgency, the Great White North. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Bonking motherfuckers for days and days. Oh, here comes Sloppy. Here come those F-16s, baby. You notice they're taking out the air defense systems? You notice how many S-300 and S-400s have gone down lately? You notice those attacks on the airfields in southwestern Russia and the airfields in Crimea? Oh, yeah. I'll tell you what's going down. Those Ukrainians, they're building a place for those fucking F-16 to play. Oh, yeah, they're building a place to play now. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. All right, that's everybody. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bang. Welcome, everybody. All right. So that's a great show for you today. Yes, of course it was. You're welcome. Look. So, first of all, ONDO Partners with MSafe, making crypto safer on that thing they were making it safer on. So, what's there to say about that? I don't know what there's to say about it. Just making it safer on that. I can't remember the name of that thing. Hold on. Let me look. I feel stupid. I don't even remember the name. Hold on. SUI Network. Right. Making crypto safer on SUI Network. Multi-signature asset solution. Oh, right. USDY. Blah, 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 look. All right, fuck, man. Come on. Let's get the fuck out of here. So, anyways, they're making it on that SUI network. That SUI network, I think, was it a stable coin, and they were going to make it safer to transact and blah, 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 blah. All right. Bang. But auto hodlers, yes. Bang. Oh, yeah. And then the next one. Chainlink to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain. No data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down. You're looking sad and blue. Hey, don't worry, son. Call Chainlink. Yes. They'll come to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. Always to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. And more. I mean, it wasn't just data on the blockchain, but it was the other services that they offered too. I mean, what a slaughter. Fucking 12 integrations. Daggone. We've had stories on this channel where there's multiple integrations, like maybe 2 or 3 at a time. 12 integrations in one story? Holy Chainlink. Look, Chainlink is basic infrastructure. It's infrastructure for crypto, like straight up. You know what I mean? It's like your house. You know, you need plumbing, you need electricity. Yeah, well, you got to have Chainlink. All right? If you want off-chain data on chain, well, you got to have Chainlink. But more than that, there was the CIPP thing and blah 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 blah. So amazing for Chainlink, amazing for Chainlink hodlers, and I guarantee you, Chainlink hodlers, Chainlink is the most undervalued digital asset in this space. Trust me, it's the most undervalued. And when Moss does, like I showed you, those who now understand the nuance of this space, right? They understand it ain't currencies. It's what can these distributed ledgers do for our businesses, our governments, our world. And they see the use cases of something like a Chainlink. Well, trust me. I told you my price target for Chainlink back in, I don't know, it was like 2020 was $142. Trust me, it is way higher now. It is fucking way higher now. I'm thinking $350, $400. You know, 3 minimum. That's kind of my level. Yeah, 4 on the high end, 3 on the kind of minimum end, and then 350 is kind of, I think, kind of realistic. Chainlink is going to be huge. It's going to be fucking mega. They're doing so much, so it can't not be mega. Mosta's invest in success. Smart investors invest in success. Well, Chainlink is the most successful blockchain out of any blockchain here. Out of any blockchain, Ethereum, but Ethereum is different, right? It's different. But Chainlink is the most successful blockchain in this whole space that I know of. I mean, maybe I don't. Maybe Shomari, man, what about this one? Do they have onboardings, motherfucker, like this? All right, I'll shut the fuck up then, dog. You know, I don't want to hear that nonsense. And so, all right. So, anyways, Chainlink integrations. There were so many of them. Bang! Chainlink hodlers. Bang! And then finally, 40% of institutions had crypto exposure, and this is what we were talking about. This is what. So they had exposure. That's great. But I really wanted to show you, yes, they're beginning to understand now. They're beginning to understand what I told you that they need to understand, is that this is not wannabe money shit, right? This Bitcoin maximalist stuff, this kind of nonsense talk about, one world money being crypto on a blockchain and all. Obviously, yeah, go ask Xi Jinping. Go ask the Saudis, you idiot. You're a fucking moron. You sound stupid. Trust me. But now the realities of, but these things are viable. These blockchains are useful. And now the big money is beginning to get the nuance, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum, commodities. Wannabe money, that's like wildcat money. Remember this, America used to have over 500 different currencies. That was called wildcat money. Google that. Google wildcat money, United States. Yeah, what these guys are doing is nothing new. It's just digital. That's all. But, banks used to have their own money. Railroads used to have their own money. Gold mines and shit used to have their own. Coal mines used to have their own money. Like, having wildcat money is nothing new. Privately issued money is not new. There's nothing new about it. It's actually an old concept that these guys brought back from the dead and digitized it and be like, look at our new thing. The only new thing about it is that it's on blockchain. But wildcat money, there ain't nothing new about that. Google wildcat money, United States. Okay, fuck. Railroads used to issue their own fucking money. And so, but that's what's beautiful is that, all right, sorry. Like I said, commodities, wildcat money, and then the real companies that are doing something or trying to do something. trying to be a useful corporate member of society, right? Like a fucking Chainlink, right? Like a fucking Chainlink, right? Fucking useful. And so that's what's great. That's what's great. The investors, the big time investors are now beginning to understand the nuance. They're beginning to understand this space. They're beginning to strip away the word currency and even the word crypto and starting to realize these are distributed ledgers that do something, or that have an ecosystem that does something which interacts with the overall blockchain itself, right? Right? Like Ethereum has an ecosystem, Solana has an ecosystem, blah, blah, blah. They all have an ecosystem, right? Which interacts with the main chain, right? The main chain. And so that's what the nuance that the wealthy, the institutional investors are getting. Like I told you, they finally would when their analysts get here. And so it's just a matter of time, guys. This is our year. This is a great year. Right? As long as China doesn't invade Taiwan or fucking Russia blow off a nuke in Ukraine, it looks like we're on our way. Or you know, Israel, Netanyahu gets stupid and just start bombing the fuck out of someone. You know, we're good to go. We're good to go. All right. We will be risk off soon. The Europeans are talking about maybe lowering interest rates next month. That'll be a major catalyst. That will be a major catalyst. You'll see if that's announced, trust me, within 5 minutes, bang, we'll be rip roaring. Anyways, let's not get too happy about stuff. Let's just be happy about what we read today. So I'll see y'all next time. So look, on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bye. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe here and press the bell. You'll get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth? The greatest show? Yes, in the multiverse. Bang, my name is Shomari Clarke, and I love talking money. Bang, and I love talking crypto. Bang, this is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you next time for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. But until then, watch this video here, subscribe to that video there, and get your mind right, and I'll see y'all next time. My name is Shomari Clarke. I'm always watching our money, and lucky for you, I am always on duty. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Look. Over and out.